Well, what's drawn me back to Mount Royal that I've missed the most really is the people. I think that the values that MRU and I share are a commitment to supporting students and meeting them where they're at and developing them and facilitating their growth so that they can find their passion and then go on to achieve great things. And so MRU is full of amazing instructors, and they make a difference in the classroom for students. Now I think we're poised to chart the next chapter for MRU, and I want to be a part of that. I also see a bold commitment that MRU has made to equity, diversity, inclusion, to decolonization and indigenization. And those commitments are some things that I think I can add to and that really resonate with me, and I think will make Mount Royal a greater place than it even has been. I've often been described as a servant leader, and I think that approach resonates with me because it's about coming together on a shared vision and then supporting people to achieve. Outside of work, definitely it's family first for me, and that's how I like to spend my time. When I think about my vision for MRU, I think straight away that we have an optimistic future. We have a promising future. I see an MRU that is recognized as a top undergraduate university, where prospective students and their families and friends know that that's the place to go. My name is Chad London, and I'm the Provost and Vice President Academic at Mount Royal University.